Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the essentials of writing a vision statement. First, we'll cover what a vision statement is, why it's important, and share a step-by-step guide on how to write one, plus some tips and examples from top companies. For more details, check out the link in the description below for our full article. To help you get started, we're offering a free vision statement toolkit and an ebook with over 100 vision statements examples for inspiration. You can find the download links in the video description below. So let's get started. What is a vision statement? A vision statement describes the desired future state of your organization in the long term, generally within a 5 to 10 year time frame. It serves as a guiding framework for your business's strategic efforts and is a critical component of a highly effective strategic plan. By clearly defining the long-term aspirations of your business, a vision statement outlines a roadmap for the future. A well-crafted vision statement drives strategic decision-making by acting as a filter for initiatives, ensuring alignment with ultimate goals. It aligns teams and fosters unity, creating a sense of purpose and belonging among employees. It also enhances organizational culture by defining shared values and aspirations, and it influences external stakeholders by attracting investors, customers, and partners. Now let's get into how to write a vision statement in 4 simple steps. Step 1 is to define what you do as an outcome. Be exceptionally clear about what your organization does, focusing on the outcome rather than the output. For instance, if you're a bakery, think about the ultimate outcome you want to achieve. It's not just about making bread, it's about creating moments of joy and satisfaction for your customers. Step 2 is to define what unique twist your organization brings to that outcome. Highlight what sets your company apart. In our bakery example, emphasize why your bread is unique, such as using locally sourced, premium ingredients. This unique twist will make your vision stand out and resonate more deeply. Step 3 is to apply some high-level quantification. Make your vision statement ambitious yet realistic. For example, you might target every customer within walking distance of our stores. This adds a measurable aspect to your vision, making it more tangible and achievable. Step 4 is to add relatable, human, real-world aspects. Make your vision statement memorable and tangible. For example, you could say, ensuring every customer leaves our store with a smile. This brings a human element to your vision, making it more relatable and inspiring. So, putting it all together, a vision statement for our bakery could be producing and selling locally sourced cakes and pies that are so delicious and satisfying that every customer who leaves our store does so with a smile. Now let's look at some inspiring vision statements from top companies. Although they don't necessarily use our bulletproof formula, they are still excellent examples of strong visions. These statements are clear, ambitious, and inspiring. Amazon's vision is to be Earth's most customer-centric company, Earth's best employer, and Earth's safest place to work. Disney aims to be one of the world's leading producers and providers of entertainment and information. And Tesla's vision is to create the most compelling car company of the 21st century by driving the world's transition to electric vehicles. These are just a few examples from our ebook. If you need more inspiration, make sure to check it out. Remember, even if your vision is the best one yet, without effective execution, it remains just words on paper. It's the daily actions, decisions, and strategies driven by that vision that turn it into reality. Cascade, the #1 strategy execution platform, helps you plan, execute, and track your strategy all in one place, ensuring your vision becomes a reality. It's perfect for keeping your vision, mission, and company values top of mind. So give Cascade a try today. Sign up today for our free forever plan or book a guided one-on-one tour with one of our strategy execution experts to see Cascade in action. You can find the links in the video description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful videos. Until next time.